Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you an overview of NetSuite Oracle. Now this video will have everything you need to know before you dive right into NetSuite Oracle's software for ERP management. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So here we have the Oracle NetSuite website, and you can just search up netsuite.com to be able to see this landing page. And straight up, you can log in already if you already have an account right here. And of course, if you don't have an account, then you're going to have to go through their free product tour. So this is going to be an online form where you need to submit the following details. And basically after that, they will get in touch with you shortly. And they're going to have a live demo or guided walkthrough that's tailored specifically to your business. So just check that out if you want to try their free demo. But for this video, we're going to be focusing on the information we can gather from their website alone. So here on the main page of Oracle NetSuite, we have their products, industries, customers, solutions, services, partners and programs, resource center, company, and the country or region that that's specific to what you're looking for. So these are some of the countries and regions that are included in the Oracle NetSuite. So before we start, NetSuite is basically a cloud-based enterprise resource planning or ERP system that offers a comprehensive suite of tools to streamline business operations. It is widely used by businesses for financial management, inventory control, and customer relationship management, or CRM. There's also more features included in their software, which we'll try to dive right into here. So here, as you can see, they have this free product tour, but we're gonna go to to this section on why NetSuite. So for the key features of NetSuite, first we have financial management. So this includes general ledger, accounts payable, and accounts receivable. There's automated billing, revenue recognition, and financial reporting. It also supports multi-currency, multi-subsidiary, and multi-country for global businesses, and includes real-time financial analytics and compliance tracking. For customer relationship management, there's end-to-end customer lifecycle management, as well as sales automation, lead tracking, and customer support tools, integration with marketing automation for campaign management, and customer data synchronization across departments. For inventory and supply chain management, you have access to real-time inventory tracking and warehouse management. There's a supply chain optimization tool for procurement and distribution, demand planning and forecasting capabilities, lot and serial tracking for better traceability. Now for HCM or human capital management, there's payroll, benefits administration, and employee records management, time tracking and workforce planning, performance management, and talent acquisition tools. In terms of e-commerce and retail management, you have access to a unified platform for online and in-store sales, order management, payment processing, and returns handling, as well as customer personalization tools and mobile-friendly e-commerce options. For project management, you have resource planning and time tracking, budgeting, billing, and profitability analysis for projects, as well as collaboration tools for teams and stakeholders. Now for reporting and analytics, you have pre-built dashboards for financial, operational, and sales data. There's real-time reporting with customizable KPIs and advanced analytics and business intelligence tools. Lastly, for customization and integration, there's an open API for seamless integration with third-party tools, customizable workflows, scripts, and fields, as well as industry-specific modules for tailored functionality. So here, built from the ground up for the cloud, we have built-in flexibility. So you can scale up, spin off, and adopt new business models with NetSuite's flexibility. And you can learn more about their products right here. You have an overview. There's the section on financial management, accounting, global business management, enterprise performance management, inventory management, order management, supply chain management, warehouse and fulfillment, as well as procurement. So what we summed up a while ago on their key features, you can dive further into detail here on their NetSuite products. So feel free to check this out further. As you can see, they have a full-on page for each of their solutions or products rather. So check these out before you sign up for their free product tour. But again, if you're already convinced with NetSuite, then of course feel free to directly head to their free product tour. I'm sure they will also be able to touch on these aspects of NetSuite once you have the live demo. So here we have a sample graph. How many tech IPOs are NetSuite customers? So the blue one for NetSuite customers and the gray one for non-NetSuite customers. 62% of technology IPOs are NetSuite customers since 2011, while 51% are tech IPOs used NetSuite in 2022. All right, so 83% of companies in the Forbes Cloud 100 list are NetSuite customers. All right, so just more info on their on why you should choose NetSuite. Here under their industries, we can see this they cater to advertising and digital marketing agencies, apparel, footwear and accessories, campus stores, construction, consulting, education, energy, financial services. So if there's a particular industry that you're in, then it's best to check out that specific industry in this section of Oracle NetSuite so that you will see how they cater to that particular field, and you'll be able to identify if it matches with your business needs. So let's say you're in food and beverage. Here you can see NetSuite's cloud ERP system for the food and beverage industry is the leading solution of choice for inventory and order management, e-commerce, financials, and CRM. Now, with our many customers throughout the food and beverage industry, NetSuite's food ERP software has experience supporting businesses like yours. So here again, it all depends on the industry you're at and what your business needs are. So make sure to indicate those once you sign up for their free product tour so that you'll be able to make the most out of your NetSuite experience. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.